All right, so let's give this one a read through. Sid is booking a hostel stay. He has the following information. The standard prices, a room with 4 beds is £95 per night and breakfast is £6.50 per person. There is a special offer where you can buy membership for £19.95 and you get 15% off all standard prices. Sid books a room with 4 beds for 2 nights and breakfast for 4 people for both nights, and he uses the special offer. How much does Sid save in total by using the special offer? So we're going to need to know the standard price first of all, because even the special offer is based off the standard price. So let's work out how much that'll be on our calculator. So he needs a room with 4 beds for 2 nights, and the room with 4 beds is £95 per night. So he's going to need that for 2 nights. That's 2 lots of £95. So the room is £190. He then gets breakfast at £6.50 per person. Now it's per person and there are 4 people, breakfast for 4 people. So we're going to need that 4 times, but it's also for both nights. So we need that whole thing twice, so we can times by 2 again, all in one go. So all the breakfasts are going to cost £52. So again, just why we did that is £6.50 for breakfast per person. There are 4 people and all 4 of them are going to need it for 2 nights. So we times them all together to get 52. And then we add the cost of the rooms to the cost of the breakfast to get the total standard price. And now just for us, I'm going to make a little note here, standard price. Good, but he uses the special offer. Now with the special offer, you buy membership for £19.95. So you do have to spend some money initially to get the offer, to get the discount. But for that price, he gets 15% off the standard price. Now the standard price was $242. So what's 15% off 242? We're going to find 15% and then we're going to take it away. That's how we're going to take 15% off. But we need to find the 15% first. Now, because we've got a calculator, we'll do the calculator method for finding a percentage. We're going to take our initial number and divide it by 100. And what that does is finds 1%. So 1% would be £2.42, but we need 15%. So we times that by 15 to get 15%, which is £36.30. Just separate those out a bit. So just to recap, the standard price we worked out was £242. With the special offer, you get 15% off the standard price. So we need to find 15% so we can take it off. We have found 15%. We now just need to take that off of the standard price. So we take the standard price and subtract the discount, which we worked out is £36.30. I know down there it says 36.3, but because it's money, it might be helpful if we keep thinking of it as £36.30. This is our answer, so that is what the price is reduced to. The price is now £205.70. Again, it says 0.7, but it's 70 because it's money. However, the one thing we haven't taken into account yet is that he doesn't just get the discount, he doesn't just get 15% off. He has to pay a membership fee of £19.95. So £205.70 might well be how much he pays for all the rooms and the breakfasts and stuff, but on top of that price, so on top of the £205.70, he also has to pay £19.95. £19.95. So the £205.70 is how much it costs for all the rooms and the breakfast at 15% off. But he doesn't just get that for free. He has to pay on top of that this membership fee, which means this is actually how much he ends up paying using the special offer. Now there is one more step. There's one more thing we need to do. This is a big question. This is 6 marks, so it is a lot of work. But there is one more thing we need to do. That is how much he's going to pay using the special offer, £225.65. But the question is asking, how much does Sid save in total? So to work out how much he saves, the only last thing we need to do is to take the standard price and subtract the lower price to find the difference between them. That's how much he saves. So in other words, yeah, we take the standard price, £242, and we subtract the lower price to find the difference between them, and that is how much he's saved. So, the answer, we've got the answer now. How much does he save? He saves £16.35. Let's have another quick recap of everything we did there, because we did quite a lot. First, to get the standard price, it's £95 per night for the room with 4 beds, and we need it for 2 nights, so that's why it's £190 for the rooms. It is then £6.50 for breakfast per person. We have 4 people for 2 nights, so we times that lot together to work out that the breakfasts are going to cost £52. So altogether, the standard price would be £190 for the beds, plus the £52 for the breakfasts, which is £242. We then start dealing with the 15% off part of the special offer. We divide by 100 to get 1%. We then times that by 15 to get 15%. And because it's a 15%, it says 15% off, we then take 15%, or £36.30, off the original price. So this is the cost at 15% off. However, to get the privilege of having 15% off, you have to pay membership at £19.95. So on top of this amount, which is how much the bed and the breakfast is going to cost, you add on the cost of the membership to get the actual special offer price. Special offer price. Then there was one last thing to do, which is to answer the question, how much does he save in total? Well, we know the standard price, which is here. We know the special offer price, which is here, so we just have to find the difference between them to work out how much he saves. And the difference between them, we subtract £16.35. So quite a lot to do for that question, but it is 6 marks, so it is going to be worth, it's worth a lot of marks, so it's going to need a lot of work. Hopefully that made sense. Hope that helped. Time to move on to the next one.